Are you getting ready?
Getting ready for what?
For the National Day of Unplugging.
What's that?
It's when we take a whole day to unplug from our devices, to disconnect from technology and reconnect with our friends, family, nature, ourselves.
Dude, it's 2021. We're all connected all the time.
Exactly. Remote work, Zoom meetings, virtual school, virtual hangouts, virtual events, virtual happy hour. We need to take a break.
So, what do we do without our phones or tech?
There are literally millions of things we could do, like take a walk, hike in nature, read a book, ride a bike, have a long, thought provoking conversation with friends or family, take a bath, practice an instrument. I mean, hell, just sit around and be bored.
You want me to sit around without my phone and be bored?
Yes,
Why?
Because your mind needs to unplug, rest, and reset.
Okay.
yeah.